you've been involved in an accident, it is critical that you do everything you can to preserve the evidence of what happened. The more evidence you have, the stronger your case will be, and the better chance you have for recovering all of your damages. Here's some advice. First, call 911. Cooperate with the investigation and documentation of the accident. Tell the officer what happened in as much detail as you can. Tell him or her whose fault it was. If the other driver appears impaired or intoxicated, bring it up with the officer and ask the officer to test that person for impairment. And if so, take note of whether or not that person's been charged with an OWI. Be sure to write down what happened. Be sure to write down what the other driver said to help you remember. Record it if you can with your cell phone. If the other driver says they're sorry, that could be seen as evidence of their fault later on. Most cell phones have cameras, so immediately take pictures of the vehicles before anyone moves them. Take pictures of the damage to both vehicles from several angles. Be sure to take pictures of the debris and the scene of the accident. If you have visible injuries, make sure somebody takes pictures of them. If you're too injured to do that, ask somebody. Have someone go to where the vehicles were towed and take pictures. Get the names and telephone numbers of any witnesses there and ask them what they saw and what they think happened. Get medical treatment immediately. Even if you just feel a little nervous, stiff, or sore, you need to be checked out to make sure you're okay. Concussions, closed head injuries, disc herniations, and other injuries may not seem that significant at their outset, but can be very, very painful in the next day or two. You should return to your medical provider and report your pain. And be sure to follow up with your medical treatment and the advice that's given. Disclose any pre-existing injuries to your healthcare providers. If you don't, the insurance company's lawyer will accuse you of hiding it later on in court. Keep a log or diary of your injuries and levels of pain. Any work you miss, your medical appointments, and anything that causes your pain to increase or decrease. Keep track of exercises you do at home or any medicine you take, whether it's a prescription or even over the counter. Do not give any recorded statements to an insurance adjuster. That is for their benefit, not yours. Be sure to speak to an attorney first. Beware of what you're signing. You don't want to inadvertently sign a release that will take away your right to pursue a claim later on. Insurance companies are not above taking advantage of you. Call us. If you are too injured to come to our office, we will come to you or set up a video call. If you've been in an accident, we can help.